I am making this amazing red velvet cupcake, and I decided let me share this recipe with you. I am doing this for my favorite person, my personal person, guys. You can do it for yourself at home, for your loved ones, for family, to celebrate Valentine's. So right away, let's get into the ingredients. So the first step, guys, we are going to add in our eggs. These are 4 eggs. The ingredients are in the description box. Sugar, melted butter. Then we are going to mix this all in. I'm going to add in vanilla essence, 2 bottle tops. The next step, guys, we are going to go in with our flour. So we are going to sieve in our flour, but to my flour I'm going to add in my cocoa powder. And with me here I have my baking powder and my red color, so I'm just gonna add them all in and sieve. And so, guys, our cake batter is ready. As you can see, looks lovely. Grease your tin on this side, then preheat your oven for 10 minutes. I'll be baking mine for 30 minutes at 150 degrees. "30 minutes later, my cupcakes are ready, looking amazing. So I'm gonna set them here so that they can cool down. Meanwhile, I want to make my whipping cream so that I can give them some nice decoration. Look at that sumptuous cake, moist, tender, soft, spongy. I love it. So I'm decorating using this marbled white and red whipping cream, and the results were amazing. Done. I present to you the best red velvet and easiest recipe cupcakes you'll ever find, guys. You can gift this to your loved ones, your mom, dad, uncle, friend, your husband, your boyfriend. This is a very quick fixed recipe. I hope you have learned something. You're definitely going to try, and you let me know on the comment section. So guys, bye bye from me to you guys.